AI-generated humans are no longer a concept confined to science fiction. Digital avatars, hyper-realistic AI-generated influencers, and virtual assistants are becoming increasingly advanced. From AI models that can hold conversations indistinguishable from humans to synthetic influencers gaining millions of followers, the line between real and artificial is blurring. But what does this mean for the future of humanity? Will AI avatars replace us in entertainment, work, and even personal relationships? Let's explore the rise of digital humans and what it means for our future. What are AI avatars? AI avatars are computer-generated digital representations of humans. Unlike simple animations, these avatars are powered by artificial intelligence, enabling them to interact, learn, and even mimic real human behavior. Types of AI avatars. Virtual influencers. AI-powered personalities like Lil Miquela and FN Mika, who have amassed millions of followers online. AI customer service agents. Companies like Synthesia and Hour One create digital employees that assist customers without human intervention. AI-powered streamers and entertainers. Digital streamers like CodeMiko engage audiences without ever needing a real person behind the screen. Hyper-realistic AI clones. Deepfake technology is allowing people to create digital versions of themselves that can interact in real time. How AI avatars are changing industries. 1. Entertainment and social media AI influencers are already competing with real people for sponsorships, views, and influence. Unlike human influencers, they never age, make mistakes, or require contracts. Lil Miquela, an AI influencer, has collaborated with major brands like Prada and Samsung. AI-generated music artists are being used to produce songs and even virtual concerts. YouTube and Twitch are seeing a rise in AI-generated streamers that interact with audiences in real time. 2. Customer service and business. Many businesses are adopting AI avatars to handle customer interactions, replacing traditional call centers and human representatives. AI receptionists greet visitors in corporate offices. Virtual assistants provide 24/7 support without fatigue. AI-generated video presenters create marketing content without needing actors. 3rd, education and training AI avatars are being used to educate and train professionals in medicine, engineering, and customer service. Medical simulations use AI-generated patients to train doctors. Language learning apps feature AI tutors that provide real-time conversation practice. Corporate training videos are now hosted by AI-generated presenters, reducing costs for businesses. 4. Relationships and companionship. With advancements in AI, people are forming emotional bonds with digital humans. AI chatbots like Replika offer companionship and emotional support. Virtual girlfriends and boyfriends are becoming popular in countries like Japan. AI-generated digital clones can preserve the likeness and personality of loved ones after they pass away. The ethical dilemma. Should AI avatars replace humans? While AI avatars offer numerous benefits, their rise also raises critical ethical and societal questions. 1. Job displacement. Will AI replace human actors, models, and customer service representatives? As automation increases, how will people adapt to an economy where digital humans perform most tasks? The authenticity crisis. If AI avatars dominate social media, how will we differentiate real humans from AI-generated personalities? What happens when AI-generated influencers become indistinguishable from real people? 3. The psychological impact. Can forming emotional bonds with AI be harmful? Will people prefer AI companions over real human relationships? The future of AI avatars. What comes next? AI avatars in the metaverse. As virtual worlds grow, digital humans will become key players in virtual economies. Deepfake technology and identity theft. As AI gets better at mimicking real humans, the risk of deepfake manipulation increases. Hybrid AI-human collaborations. Instead of replacing humans, AI avatars might work alongside us, enhancing productivity and creativity. AI avatars are here, and they are only getting more advanced. From influencers to customer service representatives, digital humans are already changing how we interact with technology and the world around us. But will they enhance human potential or replace it altogether? The future of AI avatars is still being written, and only time will tell if they become our greatest tools or our biggest competition.